Before we start with the video, can you name the first ever song to be played in space? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. It doesn't take much to change an outdated tree into a Christmas gem. Watch as we turn a decrepit tree into a holiday beauty by just using Christmas ornaments. This Christmas, keep the toxicity of plastic ornaments away from you and your loved ones. Switch to hangings made of glass or paper mache, which are environmental friendly and look much nicer. Glass Christmas hangings that will not only make a cheap tree look expensive, but will also change the whole personality of your space by creating a magical holiday vibe. And to answer the question, Jingle Bells was one of the first songs to broadcast from space, in a Christmas-themed prank by a few astronauts. Find the links of the Christmas ornaments in the description down below.